You don't have to go all the way with the trigger to get it to work. This is working out great. And what I'm going to be using in this one is the Harris Diatomaceous Earth. Diatomaceous Earth is basically an organic type pesticide. And this little device right here is what I'm going to use to actually administer it. So check this out. This uses a DeWalt battery, and it has a kind of a filter right here. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to put your Diatomaceous Earth down in here, or any type of pesticide work. And what this piece right here, this is a blower function. So if you just want to use it as a small blower, you can use it for that. But I'm going to use it for a duster mister. So all you're going to do is line this up right there like that, and then it clicks into place. Now, just going to scoop out a little bit, just like that. Maybe a little more. Y'all see that? This is what I use on all of my, food grade garden. So I've got like tomatoes and cucumbers and strawberries. So all you're gonna do is put that on there. It does have a measuring on there. Get you a DeWalt battery. This does not come with a DeWalt battery, everybody. Now let's take it over here to the garden. Oh wow, that works out great. I've been getting a lot of like ladybugs on these things. I am very impressed with this blower. You don't have to go all the way with the trigger to get it to work. This is working out great. It went through that pretty fast. I think that's everything that was in there. So that went through that pretty quick. I don't see any issues with using it as a kind of like a mister blower for Diatomaceous Earth or pretty much any types of pesticides. Got a lot of power to it. Let me use it. Let me put the little blower attachment on there and use it as a blower. Oh, that's not bad at all either. Just using it as a little bit of a blower to blow off my sidewalk and front porch here. So the best feature on this is using it as a duster for dusting any type of, see what happens to me right here on my plants. I get those worms that go in there, but putting all this on here, I think it's gonna pretty much knock out any of those issues that I might be having with that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on a MekiPow duster blower. See y'all in the next video.